Do you want to master poetic devices once and for all? Are you tired of confusing one poetic device with the other? Well, in today's video, I'm not just going to teach you poetic devices, I'll make sure you never forget them. By the end, you will be a pro, able to spot them in any poem like a true expert. And wait, there's more. We are ending this session with a fun quiz where you will test your skills, get the answers, and learn the reasons behind them. So stick around because this video will make poetic devices as easy as ABC. Let's dive into the magical world of poetry and uncover its secrets together. Let's start with one of the most popular poetic devices, simile. A simile is a comparison between two unlike things using like or as. For example, he ran like a cheetah, or she sings as sweetly as a bird. Similes help us create vivid images in our minds and make our language more engaging. Another example, the sunset was as red as a ripe tomato. Now let's move on to metaphor. A metaphor is a comparison between two unlike things without using like or as. For example, he is a lion on the battlefield, or life is a journey. So, metaphors help us create new meanings and perspectives. Another example, city is a beast that swallows you whole. Now, next one, symbolism. It is another powerful poetic device. A symbol is an object, color, or image that represents an abstract idea or concept. For example, a rose might symbolize love, while a snake might symbolize danger. Now, the next poetic device, hyperbole. It is a poetic device that helps us exaggerate and emphasize. A hyperbole is a statement that is obviously an exaggeration but used for effect. For example, I'm so hungry I could eat a whole elephant. So it's not possible to eat a whole elephant, but here it's in a sentence referring like this. Another example, this backpack weighs a ton. Another example, I've told you a million times not to leave your dirty socks on the floor. So a million time is an exaggeration. Now, onomatopoeia. It's a poetic device that helps us recreate sounds. It is a word that imitates the sound it describes. For example, buzz, mew, splash. Example, the firework exploded with a loud boom. Boom. So, boom is representing a sound. Now, next one is irony. It is a poetic device that helps us convey the opposite of what we mean. For example, what a beautiful day, said on a rainy day. Example, the fire station caught on fire. Now, the next poetic device is personification. It's a poetic device that helps us give human like qualities to non human things. For example, the sun smiled down on us, or the wind whispered secrets in my ear. So, a wind cannot whisper, but still, when we personify, we create things like as a human like qualities. Now, next is imagery. Imagery is a poetic device that helps us create vivid images in our minds. Imagery can appeal to our senses of sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. For example, the golden sun sank slowly into the ocean, or the aroma of freshly baked cookies wafted through the air. Another example, the old creaky door groaned as it swung open. We have explored the amazing world of poetic devices from similes to imagery. Remember, poetry is all about creativity and imagination. So go ahead and experiment with these devices to create your own magical poems. So let's start the quiz. The first question is: The wind whispered sweetly in my ear. What literary device is used in this sentence? You have four options, and time starts now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.